Are you prepared to receive the biggest CPP payment update arriving this May 30th? This isn't just another routine announcement. Millions of Canadians, especially seniors like you, are about to see important changes that could impact your retirement income significantly. But how much do you really know about what's coming? I'm David, and today I want to make sure you understand exactly what this new CPP rollout means for your wallet and your future. Why is this new CPP payment such big news right now? For starters, the Canada Pension Plan is scheduled to send out payments starting May 30th, and many seniors will benefit from higher amounts this year. But are you aware of how much your payment might increase? Could this extra money help cover rising costs of living or unexpected expenses? And what steps do you need to take to make sure you don't miss out? You might be wondering, who qualifies for these new payments, and does everyone get the same amount? What if you're still working or thinking about delaying your CPP start date to get a bigger monthly check? These are questions I'll answer fully, because knowing the details could boost your benefits more than you think. Plus, did you know there are ways to increase your CPP even after you start receiving payments? And here's something many don't realize: timing is everything. If you apply too late or don't plan carefully, you might leave money on the table. When exactly should you submit your application to get this May 30th payment? What should you do if you've never applied before? This video will walk you through the exact process so you can avoid delays and get your payments on time. But that's not all. There are special perks for those who continue to work past 60 or who have unique situations like survivor benefits. How can you make sure you're maximizing every dollar? Are you aware of the federal programs that work alongside CPP to increase your total income? If you've been waiting for some good news about your retirement income, this is it. Don't let confusion or misinformation stop you from claiming what's rightfully yours. Stay tuned because I'll share crucial tips and insider information that could increase your monthly payments or help you plan your finances better. Before we dive deeper, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell now so you never miss updates that could change your financial future. I'm David, and I'm here to guide you step by step through everything you need to know about the new CPP payments coming on May 30th. Are you ready to take control of your retirement income? Keep watching, because this information could be the key to unlocking more money every month. As the end of May approaches, thousands of Canadian seniors are preparing for one of the most important events related to their retirement income, the upcoming Canada Pension Plan payment scheduled for May 30th. This payment marks a significant opportunity for those who depend on CPP as a vital source of monthly income. But what exactly is the Canada Pension Plan, and how does this May 30th payment affect you and your family? The Canada Pension Plan is a government program designed to provide financial support to Canadians who have retired or are disabled, as well as to survivors of deceased contributors. It is funded by contributions from workers and employers across the country and serves as a critical part of the retirement security for millions. Each year, the government reviews and adjusts the payment amounts to reflect factors like inflation, average wages, and cost of living increases. This means that if you are already receiving CPP, or if you plan to start receiving it soon, the payment on May 30th could be larger than what you received last year. Understanding the specific amount you will receive depends on several factors, including how much you contributed during your working years, when you started receiving CPP, and whether you have other benefits such as the Guaranteed Income Supplement or Old Age Security. The maximum CPP monthly payment for 2025 is set at around $1,364.60, but many Canadians receive less depending on their contribution history. For some seniors, this new payment will mean an increase that can help offset rising living costs, especially in areas like food, housing, and healthcare, which tend to increase every year. But beyond just the base payment, there are additional considerations that could affect your total income. For example, the Guaranteed Income Supplement, GIS, is a benefit designed for low-income seniors who receive old age security, which can add significantly to your monthly income. Knowing how these programs interact can help you maximize your benefits and avoid missing out on money you deserve. You might be wondering if there are any new eligibility rules or application processes for this May 30th payment. The good news is that if you already receive CPP, your payment should arrive automatically on the scheduled date without you needing to do anything. However, if you have not yet applied for CPP, or if you delayed starting your payments to increase your monthly amount, this date presents a crucial deadline to consider. Applying for CPP is a process that can be done online, by mail, or in person, but it does take time to process. Experts recommend applying at least 6 months before you want your payments to start, so if you haven't applied yet and are thinking about May 30th, acting quickly is essential. Additionally, delaying your CPP start date beyond age 65 can increase your monthly payments by a certain percentage for every month you wait, up to age 70. This means that even if you don't start receiving payments on May 30th, planning your application timing carefully can yield greater benefits over the long term. An important question many seniors have is whether continuing to work after starting CPP payments affects the amount they receive. Unlike old age security, which can be clawed back if your income exceeds certain thresholds, CPP payments are not reduced based on your earnings. This means you can work and earn money without worrying about losing part of your CPP benefits. However, it's important to report your income accurately to avoid any misunderstandings with the government and to understand how working might affect your other benefits like GIS or tax credits. Another key point to understand is the relationship between CPP and Old Age Security, OAS. While CPP is based on your work contributions, OAS is a universal benefit for Canadians aged 65 and older who meet residency requirements. OAS payments also increase annually, and many seniors receive both CPP and OAS as part of their retirement income package. For low-income seniors, the GIS supplements OAS, ensuring a minimum income level. When discussing the May 30th payments, it's essential to consider these other programs as they contribute significantly to overall financial security in retirement. Sometimes, changes to one program can affect eligibility or payment amounts for the others, so staying informed about all three can help you plan better. If you have a spouse or common-law partner, there are additional strategies to consider. The CPP allows for benefit splitting between spouses or partners, which can reduce your overall tax burden and maximize household income. For example, if one partner has a higher income from CPP and the other a lower one, splitting the benefits can result in tax savings. This is particularly important as many seniors try to optimize their finances to stretch their retirement savings and ensure comfort throughout their later years. Knowing how and when to apply for benefit splitting and how it affects your taxes is crucial. For those who are survivors of a deceased spouse or parent, the CPP survivor benefits can also play a vital role. These benefits provide ongoing financial support to eligible survivors and can be a lifeline for widows, widowers, or dependent children. The amount and eligibility criteria vary depending on factors like the deceased's contribution history and the survivor's age or income level. Understanding these rules will help survivors claim all the support they are entitled to and avoid leaving money on the table. Now, as we approach May 30th, it's also wise to think about how you receive your payments. Most seniors prefer direct deposit because it's fast, safe, and reliable. If you're still receiving paper checks, switching to direct deposit could save you time and reduce the risk of lost or delayed payments. Setting this up is usually straightforward and can be done through your My Service Canada account online or by contacting Service Canada directly. Taxation is another critical aspect to consider when receiving CPP payments. CPP income is taxable, so you should plan accordingly to avoid surprises at tax time. Many seniors find it helpful to have taxes withheld at source from their CPP payments, so they don't owe a large sum later. Additionally, understanding the tax credits and deductions available to seniors can help reduce your taxable income. It's a good idea to consult a tax professional or use government resources to plan your finances wisely. Are there any recent changes or news you should be aware of? In 2025, the federal government continues to review pension programs to ensure they meet the needs of Canadians. There may be updates to contribution rates, eligibility age, or payment formulas in the future, so staying informed is essential. For now, the May 30th CPP payment represents the latest and most relevant information for seniors planning their retirement finances this year. As you prepare for this important payment date, keep in mind that the Canada Pension Plan is designed to provide a foundation of income in retirement, but it's often just one piece of a larger financial puzzle. You may also have other sources such as private pensions, registered retirement savings plans, RRSPs, or personal savings. Combining these wisely can help you maintain your lifestyle and cover unexpected expenses. If you have questions or want personalized guidance, don't hesitate to reach out to Service Canada or financial advisors specializing in retirement planning. The right advice can help you make the most of your CPP benefits and plan for a secure and comfortable retirement. Before we continue, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you want ongoing updates about Canadian benefits and retirement news. I'm David, and I'm committed to helping you navigate these important changes with confidence. Stay with me because next, I'll dive deeper into how to apply for CPP, what documents you need, and tips to avoid common application mistakes that could delay your payments. We'll also explore strategies for maximizing your CPP and other benefits while minimizing taxes.